Jeez, it's like a glacier. It's so caked on there. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is like the most buried I've ever seen cars, which is crazy because I'm from Minnesota, but it doesn't snow like this in Minnesota. Not like sticky and getting caked on everything like that. That is crazy. Oh my God. I missed all of it. Just happened to be out of town while it all came down. Just a couple days too. It's a solid 2 feet. A solid 2 feet, maybe a little more. Wow. I think Flagstaff broke a daily snowfall record a couple days ago. It was like 15 inches in one day. And I do know that this year we've already surpassed our last year's seasonal snowfall total. So it's only January 16th, maybe? What is it? It's the middle of January, and we've already surpassed all the snow that fell during the entire winter last year. So that's crazy. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys all this snow in my clean car over there. Luckily, I found a spot that wasn't completely inundated. Some more cars covered in snow. It's absolutely crazy. That looks cool. It's interesting that there's so many cars in here that haven't been tended to in more than a couple days. It shows you like who's really driving their cars or who's even here or who's not, you know? Anyways. Now the problem is you just can't get anywhere. Like you could park your car and then what, you know? Can't walk on the sidewalk. It's hard to really get anywhere. And it's snowing again.